Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the LaVite electric kettle from La Forte. The model number for this particular electric kettle is EKLV002B. There is a picture of what this electric kettle is going to look like. It also comes with 1-year warranty and food grade stainless steel components. Do we have any more information? Of course there is a lot of information over here. It's written push to open lid. Basically all the instructions that you need to operate this particular electric kettle is given over here, including a comfortable hand grip, easy pour spout, on off switch, outer plastic, power on indication and 360 cordless base. The capacity for this particular electric kettle is 1.5 liters. Steam sensor, dry boiling and overheating protection is also comes with this particular kettle. It also operates on 1500 watts of power. Now let's open this box and take a look at the kettle itself, the electric kettle in question. There are some documents over here. We have instruction manuals, two of them in fact. So read them at least once. This is the base of this particular electric kettle. It's made out of plastic, but this is a 360 swivel base. So the idea is that once you're done using, you can wrap the wire like so and store it somewhere. And there is a groove over here as well for the power wire, the power cable to come out of. Okay, what else is there? Yeah, this is the electric kettle. This is a plastic electric kettle. This is a blue colored electric kettle. As mentioned earlier, the capacity of this particular kettle is 1.5 liters and it operates on 1500 watts of power. So this is the button that you use to open this lid. I'm going to show it again. This is the button that you use to open the lid, like so. And this is the easy pour spout in question. This is the on-off switch, and this also comes with an indicator. I don't know if you can see this, but there's an indicator inside the on-off switch. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the LaVite electric kettle from La Forte. Thank you for watching.